Hydroforming is a manufacturing process that involves the use of pressurized fluid to shape metal into complex and intricate shapes. This process is commonly used in the automotive, aerospace, and medical industries to create parts that are lightweight, strong, and durable. Hydroforming is a cost-effective alternative to traditional stamping and welding methods, as it requires fewer tools and produces less waste. The hydroforming process begins with a metal blank that is placed into a hydraulic press. The press is then filled with a pressurized fluid, typically water or oil, which is used to force the metal into a die. The die is designed to create the desired shape of the part, and the pressurized fluid ensures that the metal conforms to the shape of the die. Once the part has been formed, it is removed from the press and finished to the desired specifications. Hydroforming is a versatile process that can be used to create a wide range of parts, from simple brackets to complex engine components. It is particularly useful for creating parts with irregular shapes or multiple curves, as it allows for greater precision and accuracy than traditional stamping methods. Additionally, hydroforming can be used with a variety of metals, including aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium, making it a popular choice for manufacturers in a range of industries. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and assemblies. As a leader in the industry, Berkness Company has extensive experience with hydroforming and other advanced manufacturing processes. The company's team of skilled engineers and technicians are dedicated to providing high-quality products and services that meet the unique needs of each customer. If you are interested in learning more about hydroforming and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, Berkness Company is here to help. The company's website features a Contact Us page where you can reach out to their team and request more information. Whether you are looking for a specific part or need assistance with a custom project, Berkness Company has the expertise and resources to help you achieve your goals. FAQs. 1. What is hydroforming and how does it work in manufacturing? Hydroforming is a metal forming process that uses a high-pressure hydraulic fluid to shape metal parts into complex shapes. The process involves placing a metal blank into a die and then applying high-pressure fluid to the blank, which causes it to conform to the shape of the die. Hydroforming is commonly used in the automotive and aerospace industries to create lightweight, high-strength parts. 2. What are the advantages of hydroforming over other metal forming processes? Hydroforming offers several advantages over other metal forming processes, including the ability to create complex shapes with minimal tooling, reduced material waste, and improved part strength and stiffness. Additionally, hydroforming can be used to create parts with consistent wall thickness, which is important for applications where weight and strength are critical factors. 3. What types of materials can be used in hydroforming? Hydroforming can be used with a variety of materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, and other metals. The process is particularly well suited for forming lightweight materials, such as aluminum, which are commonly used in the automotive and aerospace industries. Additionally, hydroforming can be used with a range of thicknesses, from thin sheets to thick plates, making it a versatile metal forming process. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.